Thank you for showing interest in our videos. If you want to get more connected with our videos, you may want to subscribe and also want to press the bell icon so you start getting notifications for our all new content upload. The topic which we are discussing here is the role of a project manager in an agile environment. There are diversified views related to the role of a project manager. There are some agile thought leaders who believe that there is no role for a project manager in agile kind of projects. But there are others rather than few who believe in a pragmatic way of doing projects and doing development. They believe the project manager adds value irrespective of the project life cycle. Now we need to see both the perspectives and understand how the project manager contributes in bringing an achievement towards to a project objective to a given team. So the way PMI define the role of a project manager is the project manager aligns the effort of the complete team in order to achieve the project objectives. So if you have a project, you will probably see a project manager role in that context. But if you start moving away from a project, and many of the agile thought leader believes in that we stop doing project, whereas we only work on a given product and keep building that product till the time it is returning business values. In those contexts, you may see that the role of a project manager may not exist, but many work which was done by a project manager now gets done by product manager, because product manager is the one who is driving the product and getting direct input from the market. So there could be a situation there. Now we come back. In most of the contexts where you and I might be working in is, we might be working on projects and we might be using a life cycle which is based on agile. So if you are working on a project and life cycle is an agile, there will be a role of a project manager which brings an alignment in the team effort to achieve the project objective. Now the role of a project manager may differ. The way the leadership style varies in agile environment. In agile environment, you are no more giving specific instruction to the people. You just facilitate so that team can figure it out where they want to go. And we look into that effort before, rather than project manager telling everyone that do this, do this, do this. So it is not a kind of push planning, push estimation and everything happening. In context of agile, you create a team which works with each other and you take care of overall alignment so that they can achieve the project objective. So if you are working as a project manager in agile context, you definitely use more facilitation and servant leadership skills. Your goal is what kind of a problem I should solve so that team move forwards towards achieving project objective. Your goal will not be focusing on should I ensure everybody is working on a given task. That thing, these guys will figure it out. You should also, but as a project manager, you might be responsible for working with external stakeholders, because that access or that effort, the team might not be spending, because you are the one who is working with rest of the environment. So I do see project managers playing crucial roles in agile environment. They spend more and more time talking and interacting with external stakeholders. External stakeholder from the organization, they spend good time working with the organizational departments, compliances related issues, inter-department and dependencies management, they work towards that, and they let team decide on their granular planning, on their granular way of working. They don't interfere at the team level. Project manager also helps team to reflect on improving their own working style, and project manager also ensures that stakeholder has a good understanding of what team is doing. So overall, the project manager role related to integration, related to alignment, related to building the team which achieves the project objective remains the same irrespective of project life cycle. I just wanted to add that we did a webinar on a role of a project managers and we demystified various myths related to a project manager role. You may want to check that particular webinar video as well, which is also available in our learning system. Do you want to finish your PMP certification in the first attempt? Many aspirants are worried about not making up in the first attempt. Now, if your answer is that yes, you want to get it in the first attempt, you should consider enrolling to our PMP online program. We have videos prepared for the complete PMBOK guide, and these videos not only explains the basic concepts, they get into the details of the fundamentals of those concepts, and that knowledge will help you in getting your certification done faster, and that too in your first attempt. You can find more information about our program at our website, and you can also find the detailed link of our program in the description section of this video.